Welcome to Will Channel. While greater refinement and on-road drivability were the primary goals for the new 2019 G-Class, individual test mules also had to survive more than 1,200 development miles on this Austrian Rubicon before getting the green light. Mercedes has yet to release full details and specs, but we know that virtually the entire G-Class package is new, down to its stiffer, fully boxed ladder frame fabricated from steel. Yet so closely do the new truck's proportions adhere to the originals that only up close do you notice that it has grown 2.1 inches longer and 2.5 inches wider, with an additional 1.6 inches between the axles, small numbers that result in a notably roomier and more usable cabin, particularly for rear seat riders. Larger disc brakes front and rear necessitate that entry-level G550s where at least 18-inch wheels, 19s and 20s also will be available, with the high-performance Mercedes-AMG G63 version expected to roll on 22 inches and gain the vertically slat Panamericana grille that's spreading across the sub-brand's lineup. Thanks to smarter engineering and the use of lightweight materials, such as aluminum for the hood and doors, Mercedes says that curb weights should come down by about 300 pounds versus existing models, which in our testing have weighed nearly 6,000 pounds.